Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make the day-night change in the game using Godot 4.2. This feature may seem too easy, however if you want to have not only dark screen and light screen but want to make it a little bit more realistic with sunrise and sunset, evening, morning, then tricks I will show you in this video will help you make it easier. To start, I downloaded resources from opengameart.org. I use this LPC Desert Ruins. I will not create a tile map. I will just reuse the example picture from the resource to simplify process and focus on feature itself. Let's start from making a 2D scene, call it world, save. So I will start with making sprite 2D with a Desert Ruins preview as a texture. So I will scale it a little bit. Yeah, so it will be our map, which you in your game you can have any kind of map using tile maps or any sprite. So here just we already have kind of designed ruins which look nice. Let's start it. Yeah, we can see these nice ruins. To make a sun, so let's add a sun, we need to create a canvas modulate node. Canvas modulate is a node which modulates the color of entire scene. So you can see that if I will change the color, it will modulate the color of our sprite node. White color means that it won't be modulated, and black color we have it in black. So this will be our sun. In addition to sun, so I decided to add a campfire to our scene to make a source of light in our world, and during the night it will create additional light. So let's make animated sprite 2D will be campfire. Then we create new sprite frames. And so I'm going to add the animations. So it's like I have to add frame by frame. No, I can add all frames in one time. So let's place our campfire in somewhere in the middle. I want also to be into the grid, and want to make it a bit bigger like this. Let's see. Okay, it's not animated. We need to go our sprite frames and play this. So press this after play on load. And we need to make sure that it's looped. Can increase a little bit animation speed, and let's test it now. Okay, here we go. We have a campfire. Let's move it a little bit to make it in the center. Maybe I can do this like this, but I don't remember what is the size of our screen. Okay, so I think it's good enough. Yeah, it's fine. So it's on cobblestone, but still, yeah, don't care much about it. And let's create a source light. So we need point light 2D. And in this point light 2D, we need to add a texture. I'll create a new gradient texture 2D. Let's now increase the size. I think it will be 256 by 256. And to make it like more realistic, we need to change this parameter, which is fill from linear to radial. And now, yeah, we'll move it to the center. So make it precise, 0.5 by 0.5. And we need to swap colors from white to black. So I did it by, again, like I created new gradient texture. Then I have these gradient parameters, which I can change the size. And if I will press it, I can move those sliders. So now we have kind of light, but I think it's fine, but it's too bright. We have too much, too much light. We can change it a little bit by removing the, changing the color from white to maybe gray. So, okay, now it looks fine. Okay. Then if I will modulate my canvas modulate during the night, we still will have some lighting around the campfire. Well, maybe not too bright, but yeah, that's probably fine. Next step will be adding a timer, which will be responsible for our day-night cycle. So I will reduce wait time a little bit and press after start. So our timer will be triggered in the beginning. And let's create a script, attach script to our world. And now I can connect the signal from timer, timeout signal, connect to the world script. Here idea is to change the color dynamically so we will start from simple one, we will change it from white to black. To do this, I will create a new variable, which will be day, night, cycle. It will have a float, and this variable will be responsible for overall duration. So we will start from 10 seconds. So for 10 seconds, we'll have a full cycle, full day-night cycle, and we need a variable responsible for current status, right? So day, night, state will be also float, and it will be within interval from 0 to 1, let's say. So we will do something like this, 0, and actually for day-night cycle, I think we can export this variable. So we can change it appear. Why it's not appearing? Let's create a class. Okay, so right, so it's because my script contains a mistake. Now it has an exported variable, day-night cycle, which we can specify duration of our day-night cycle. And on timer timeout, what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the day-night state, and it will be decreased. So we have timer wait time, and we want to have the full cycle from 0 to 1 in 10 seconds. It means that we need the day-night cycle divide by timer wait time. So it will be total amount of steps we have, and I want 1.0 divided by this. So it will be actually multiplying here, because like divide by overall this number gives us multiply. And well, within those 10 seconds, we should have the net state equal to 1. And now we should do something like this. If day-night state is more or equal 1, then day-night state equals to 0. In addition, so we just changed the variable, but we want to modulate it as well. I will create a setter here. So set value float, and we will change the color in this setter. So what I will do for now, I will do this color equals to color, and it will be so we will take our value 3 times. So it will be from 0 to 1, and don't forget to do day-night state equals to value. We have a mistake somewhere in 6. Okay. Unexpected indent in class body. Yeah, we have to do this. Right. And let's test it. So we can see that it goes from black to white, and now just dropped back to the black color. This is not what we want, but I will show you how to make it quite easy. So in order to do this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new resource, and the type of resource will be gradient. So it will be new. Let's rename. We will put like sun gradient. And now we will modify the colors here in gradient, which will be responsible for our day-night cycle. So we can add additional bars here, and we will start from the black, finish to the black as well. And in the middle, it will be white here and here. Now, I want to reuse this gradient, So let's increase the nighttime a little bit. Yeah, like this. To reuse it, I will create like export file. Oh, no, let's just export day, night, gradient, which will be gradient, preload. We will use our sun gradient here. And now I want here to reuse a color from day-night gradient instead of this. So I'm doing this. Let's see which parameters we have. Yeah, we need a sample method. So if we read the documentation, gradient has a sample method which is responsible to here interpolated color specified by offset, and offset here is from 0 to 1. So we can just reuse our value. And what will happen? All right, we are following gradient, and now it looks much better, right? So it looks like we have from night to day, and from day to night. And now the trick is that we can change those colors as we want. So I will use a snap read. I will increase like 24 hours, and we can specify colors responsible for specific period. So for example, we do like it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5 a.m. we will have sunrise. Let's use some different color, maybe more like pink. Okay, well, I think that this color is fine. And then we will have a morning. It will be probably soft yellow color. Will be sunrise will be quite short, maybe 1 hour, and a couple hours of morning, and then like day started. And day will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, and then we will have a sunset, which should be like more red color, maybe not so red, like softer. And evening time. After sunset, there will be evening time, which will be close to the blue color, and we will end up with a night blue color. 0, 0, like this. So this will be our night color. So let's 0, 0, 85. Have same here. Because like using completely black color is not very realistic. This one maybe a little bit darker. Let's test. Okay, so it looks like night. All right, so we could see the sunrise, sunshine, and sunset, morning, evening, all are there. It's a little bit fast, but yeah, we can control it just by increasing this number. So now it's 10 seconds. Let's make it like 20 seconds. And it will be much smoother. Here we go. If you don't like how fast it is, you can just move those controls and like sliders, so you will have it even smoother. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.